Pollinators provide valuable support to agriculture and natural ecosystems. However, in Wisconsin as elsewhere, they've experienced notable declines in recent decades due to factors including pests and disease, habitat loss, and pesticide exposure. There have been bipartisan efforts in state legislatures across the nation to promote pollinator health, and in fact, the National Conference of State Legislatures notes that at least 28 states have enacted pollinator health legislation in recent years. Noting the significance of pollinators in Wisconsin, the Joint Legislative Council co-chairs directed us to prepare a research report setting forth options to support pollinator health.
We solicited feedback from multiple stakeholders to develop the options in this report, including state and federal officials, academic experts, representatives from the agricultural and energy sectors, and conservation groups. A general theme was that the state could be doing more than it is currently doing to support Wisconsin's pollinators. Currently, several state laws and programs affect pollinators, including, for example, DATCAP's state apiary program, DNR's Threatened and Endangered Species Program, and DOT's Natural Roadsides Policy. The report identifies 20 options for state legislation to do more. The options fall in 5 main categories. The first category is options to expand pollinator habitat. Habitat-based options include several voluntary incentive programs, a state scorecard for solar installations, regulatory flexibility, and state land initiatives. Second, the report provides options for legislation to support research, monitoring, and public awareness, including, for example, resources for UW extension programs and citizen science.
Third, there are options in the report for supporting beekeeping, which may include enhanced enforcement of existing regulations for imported commercial bees, which can sometimes threaten local beekeeping through the spread of pathogens and pests. Fourth, legislation could encourage best practices in pest management. There could perhaps be changes to pesticide applicator certification requirements, or perhaps a voluntary incentive program could be created to help farmers trial the use of untreated seeds. Fifth and finally, legislation could establish a council to provide a more coordinated approach to state pollinator health policy. For further information on legislative options and pollinator health issues, please feel free to contact our office or review the report published to the Legislative Council website.